Hello students, welcome to class 8 Max. Today we are going to see what is factorization. Expressing an algebraic expression as a product of two or more expression is called factorization. Example, if you take a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here a plus b and a minus b are the two factors of a square minus b square. There are four types of factorization. We will see this fourth type of factorization by doing the exercise sums from 3.4. The first type is factorization by taking out the common factor from each term. So the first question is 18xy minus 12yz. If you take the constant 18 and 12, it can divisible by 6. So 6 you can take as a common factor. And then if you see the variable, y is common for both the terms. So you can take y as a common factor. Therefore, 18xy by 6y. So in 6 table, 3 times y and y. Division means you have to minus the power. So 1 minus 1 is 0. The remaining is 3x minus, and next one is 12yz by the common factor what you have taken 6y. So in 6 table 2 times y and y cancel, the remaining is 2z. So the answer is 6y 3x minus 2z. Next question. Next one is 9x power 5 y cube plus 6x cube y square minus 18x square y. So if you see here 9, 6 and 18 all are divisible by 3. So take 3 as a common factor. And in all the term x is present, x power 5, x power 3, x power 2. So take the least power as a common factor. And then if you see y square, y cube, y square and y. So y is the least one. Take the variable which has the least power. If you see here 3, 2 and 1. So 1 is the least power. So you are taking y as common. Because y is present in all the terms and x is also present in all the terms. Only thing you have to see the powers which is less, that you have to take as a common factor. Now 9x power 5 y power 3 by 3x square y. In 3 table 3 times. And here 5 minus 2 is 3. Divisible means you have to subtract the power. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, 3x cube y square. The next one is 6x cube y square by 3x square y. So, in 3 table, 3 2s are, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So the remaining is 2xy. Division means you have to subtract the power. If no power is there, you have to assume as 1. Then 18x square y by 3x square y. In 3 tables 6 times x square cancel, y and y cancel. Therefore the answer is 6. So your answer is 3x square y, 3x cube, y square plus 2xy minus 6. Third question. X into b minus 2c plus y into b minus 2c. If you see the first term, here b minus 2c and the second term also b minus 2c is common. So take the common factor b minus 2c and the remaining here is x plus y. Therefore, the answer is b minus 2c into x plus y. Here 4x minus 1 minus 4x plus 1. So now if you take this, if you see the expression, here 4x minus 1, but here they given us minus 4x plus 1. So you have to take the minus as a common. So while taking minus as common, only for this term I am telling, minus, taking minus as common. So if you take the minus as common, minus, so minus by minus is plus, therefore 4x. Here plus divided by minus is minus. Have you understood, students? If you take the minus as common, then minus 4x by minus is plus. Again, plus 1 by minus is minus 1. Plus divided by minus is minus. So now if you see here, you can get the binomial factor as common. So take the binomial factor 4x minus 1 and the remaining is 2x square. If no number is there, you can assume as 1 into this term. So 2x minus 1. Have you understood, students? If you see here in the bracket they given 4x minus 1, but if the next term is given as minus 4x plus 1. So if you take the minus as common, then minus 4x by minus is minus divided by minus is plus. Therefore plus 4x and plus 1 divided by minus is minus 1. So taking common binomial factor. So common binomial factor is 4x minus 1. And the remaining is 2x square. And here no number means you have to assume as 1 minus 1. So answer is 4x minus 1 into 2x square minus 1. Then sixth one. 3y x minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into 2 minus x. Now again, if you see here, x minus 2 is here, they given, but if you take this term, 2 minus x. So take the minus as common. Means here already one minus is there, minus into minus is plus. Plus 2, then plus 2 by minus is minus 2 and then minus x by minus is plus x. Then you can change and write it down x minus 2. Because bring the factors as common, just you are changing this term x minus 2. Now if you see here 2 and x minus 2 is common in both the expression. But you have to see the expression which has a least power, that you have to take as a common factor. So here the power is 2, here the power is 1. So the least power only you have to take the common factor. So, therefore x minus 2 is common. Then if you divide it 3y x minus 2 the whole power 2 by x minus 2 means, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 3y into x minus 2. Have you understood? Here 2 is there, here 1. So division means you have to subtract the power. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore you can cancel 1, 2. Plus 2 x minus 2 by x minus 2. So x minus 2 is cancelled means the remainder is 2. For your answer is x minus 2, then 3y x minus 2 plus 2. Next one, 6xy minus 4y square plus 12xy minus 2yzx. If you take the constant 6, 4, 12 and 2 are divisible by 2. So you can take 2 as common factor, and then in all the terms x is in all the terms y is present. So you can take the y as common factor. If the power is there, you have to take the least variable which has a least power. So here the y least power is 1. So you are taking y as common factor. Then divide each one. 6xy by y, 2y. The y and y cancel in 2 table 3 times. Therefore 3x minus 4y square by 2y. In 2 table 2 times. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore 2y plus 12xy by 2y. In 2 table 6 times. Y and y cancel. 6x minus 2yzx by 2y. 2 table 1 time y and y cancel zx. So your next, if you see this expression, you can see the like terms, that is 3x and 6x are like terms. Like terms means the terms which has a same variable with the same power. Therefore you can add that one, bring the like term together. 3x plus 6x minus 2y minus zx. Three plus 6 is 9. 9x minus 2y minus zx is your answer. Next, 8th one is a cube minus 3a square plus a minus 3. You can factorize by grouping. So first 2 term you can group it, and next 2 term. So if you take the first 2 term, in the first term a cube and second term a square. So a is common in both the term, and the power, the least power only you have to take as a common factor. The least power is a square. So a cube divided by a square is equal to a. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore a minus 3a square by a square is 3. Then again if you see here a minus 3, that means 1 you have to take as a common factor, a minus 3. Now if you see here the common binomial factor is a minus 3, and the remaining is a square plus 1. Question 3y cube minus 48y. Here 3 and 48 is divisible by 3. So 3 is common, and in variable y is present in both the term. So you have to see the power. The least power is y. So take y as common factor. Then 3y cube divided by 3y is 3 and 3 one time, and y 3 minus 1 is 2. So y square minus 48y by 3y. In 3 table, 3 ones are 3 6 are, and y cancel 16. So your answer is 3y y square minus 16. So if you take y square minus 16, it's in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square means the identity is factor is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, here a square is y square and b square is 16. Therefore, if you want to take a, you have to take the square root. Square root means out of one number you have to take, out of two number you will take one number. Therefore, a is equal to y and b is equal to, the square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, 3y into y plus 4 into y minus 4. So, have you understood? If you see here, the y square minus 16 is in the identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So, if you want to take the a value, the square root of y square is y and the square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, substitute the value in the place y plus 4, y minus 4. Therefore, your answer is 3y, y plus 4, y minus 4. Question, ab square minus bc square minus ab plus c square. You have to group the terms. So, the first, if you take the first group, here b is common in both the terms. So, take the b as common. The remaining is ab square by b is, b and b cancel means ab, minus bc square by b is c square. If you see the next term, minus ab plus c square, but here they given as ab minus c square. So, to bring it plus ab and minus c square, you can take minus as common factor. Therefore, ab minus ab by minus is plus. Then plus c square by minus is minus c square. Therefore, the common binomial factor is ab minus c square, and the remaining is b minus, if no term is there, you have to assume as 1. 1 into ab minus c square. Therefore, b minus 1. Answer is ab minus c square into b minus 1. So, only fourth question is your homework sum. Complete. Thank you, students.